Today, let's introduce the team members and organizational structure of AYA Fasteners. Let's dive in. Our team is composed of passionate and creative individuals from various professional fields, all dedicated to the development and growth of the company. In our organizational structure, we have multiple departments including quality control, marketing, production, sales, and customer service, each with specialized teams responsible for different tasks. Let's get to know our team members. First, we have Harry, our sales manager, who is responsible for capturing customer needs and selling products. Next, we have manager Jack from the quality control department, who leads production processes and quality control work. Then, we have manager Alice from the marketing department, who is responsible for organizing exhibitions, market expansion, and maintaining customer relationships. Each member is a crucial support for the company's development. Let's work together and achieve even greater success. Thank you.